Hello, this is Syntekk tutorial for Spriters. Today we're going to do two things. First thing is we're going to change the wall around a little bit. So just click on SPR wall, press edit wall, transform, resize canvas, 16. Since you have if you have keep aspect ratio on, here's little, and we're going to make it all black. So just fill and make sure the color is black and fill it in. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a tile set. This is a big job and it's probably going to take a long time, so be ready. Right click, create background. We're going to call it back tile. So make it transparent and use the tile set. Edit background. Now, the thing is, we want 5 by 3 tiles. So to do that, we need to know how big it's going to be. So we're going to do, since each one is 32, to calculate the width, 32 times 5, 160. We want 1 in between each of them. So that would be another 6. So plus 6 is 166. That would be our width. So press resize canvas, unclick keep aspect ratio, and put it on 166 pixels. And then let's get back to our calculator. Down, we want 32 times 3 is 96. And then plus 4 is 100. So transform, resize canvas, 100, and height. That's going to work. Now, for this, I'm going to press this quickly just to see how this works a little bit. See where all the dots are. Okay. So, just make one dot. And now, make a square, 4 by 4, 1, just count here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, sorry. I use this tool and then I'm going to use fill in. And there we have 4 by 4 square. Now, I'm going to select the square with the select tool. Press Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And I'm going to make 4 of them to create a square. Now I'm going to select it again, so now it's 8 by 8 to double everything. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. Now it's 16 by 16. V. Now that is how to make a perfect 32 by 32 square. Because if you just count it out, odds are you're going to make a mistake. So we want 5 going this way and 3 going down. So I'm going to select the whole thing. Control C, Control V. And make sure there's one space in between. Do it again. That's perfect. Now if I select this whole thing. Okay, that's how it is. Now, let me tell you a little bit how a tile set works. In this case, we're going to make walls. So we could make a straight wall here. So the level designer could align straight walls along a certain area. Or I can make a corner. So you could align straight walls to make a corner and have more straight walls. So for now, the idea is I'm going to press this quickly just to get the right. So we're going to make a red square in the middle, since every single one of our wall sprites are going to have a square. So I'm just going to select this a red color. Select my square tool, make sure it's... No, actually, I got to select my dot tool. And count 8 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot on the one after the 8th space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I select my square tool, and along that, now I have a perfect 16 by 16 square in the perfect middle. Make sure it's right. It should be able to count 8 black squares, then 16 red squares, 8 black squares, and the same here. So now, you can just, since this is going to be the same with all of them, you can just copy and paste just like we did these black parts. This one we're going to make a 4-way crossing. So I'm going to select my line tool, make lines coming out of every single corner. And then fill in. So that's our simple thing. So that's one. Make 15 others. Eventually it should look like